take a deep breath and pay attention. I know exactly why you're here. You feel like you're losing someone who once seemed so connected to you. Maybe it happened suddenly, or maybe it was so gradual that you didn't even realize it until she started pulling away. Now you can't stop wondering, what did I do wrong? How do I fix this? Trust me, I get it. It's frustrating, it's painful, and the confusion can drive you crazy. But here's something important you need to understand. Chasing her, explaining yourself, or trying to convince her to stay, none of that is going to work. Because attraction isn't about words, it's about energy. And right now, the more you push, the further she pulls away. So here's the plan. We're not going to chase her. Instead, we're going to focus on shifting you, changing the way you think, act, and carry yourself. Because when you make that shift, she won't just notice, it'll hit her on a deeper level. And that's when things truly start to change. Let's dive in. Number 1. Why did she pull away in the first place? It's a common feeling, right? You're watching her slowly slip away, and you're stuck wondering why. 1 minute, she's all in, texting you first, making plans, laughing at your jokes, making you feel like the center of her world. But then something shifts. She starts taking longer to respond, or she seems distracted when you're together. Maybe she even cancels plans at the last minute, and now you're left confused, asking, what happened? Here's the thing, women don't just lose attraction for no reason. It's not like she woke up one day and suddenly thought, nah, I'm done with this. No, it's much more subtle. At the beginning, you had your own life, your own purpose. You weren't glued to your phone waiting for her reply. She had to work to earn your attention, and that created a sense of mystery, of desire. But over time, as your feelings for her grew, so did your focus on her. You started texting her more often, checking in constantly, and even adjusting your plans to revolve around her. And slowly, without realizing it, you stopped being the man she was initially drawn to. Think about it this way, it's like a song that you absolutely love. In the beginning, you can't get enough of it. But then, if you play it over and over, day in and day out, it loses its magic. It's not that the song changed, it's that you've heard it too much. There's no mystery left, no excitement. That's what happened here. She didn't lose interest in you, she just lost the spark, the sense of mystery. Now, it's time to bring that back. Number 2. The more you chase, the more she runs. Let's break it down. Imagine you're at a party and someone keeps following you around. They're constantly checking in. Hey, you okay? Are you having fun? You sure? Do you need anything? Want to talk? Annoying, right? At some point, you just want to escape, right? That's exactly how she feels when you're constantly texting, calling, and trying to force interactions. Here's the kicker. When most guys feel like she's pulling away, they panic. They think, I need to remind her that I'm still here. And what do? They flood her inbox with texts. They check her social media to see what she's up to, or maybe they even show up at places where she hangs out. All that does is confirm that her decision to pull back was the right one. So what should you do instead? Do nothing. Number 3, the power of silence. Let her come to you. Now, if there's one thing you need to understand about attraction, it's this. Uncertainty is magnetic. This doesn't mean you're manipulating her. It's just how attraction works. Think back to when you first met her. You didn't immediately let her know everything you were feeling. There was mystery. You left her wondering about your intentions. And that uncertainty, that drove her wild. It made her obsess over your texts, replaying your words in her head, wondering if you were thinking about her. That's the power of uncertainty. So now it's time to recreate that same feeling. No chasing, no texting first, no checking her social media every 5 minutes. No liking her posts to remind her you're still around. Instead, you disappear. Not out of anger or bitterness, but because you have a life that doesn't revolve around waiting for her. And this is where the magic happens. One of two things will occur. Either she'll start wondering about you. Why isn't he texting me? Did he move on? And that curiosity will pull her back in. Or if she doesn't reach out, you've learned that her interest was already fading and you're now free to move on. Either way, you're in control because the man who knows his worth never has to chase. Number 4, become the man she regrets losing. Here's the truth. You don't win her back by waiting around, hoping she'll change her mind. You win her back by becoming the man she regrets losing. Picture this. If you got fired from your job because you weren't performing well, would you just sit there and hope they call you back? Of course not. You'd level up. You'd start performing better, improving your skills, and becoming so valuable that either they'll want you back or someone else will snatch you up. This same principle applies in relationships. So, what should you do now? Start working on yourself. Physical fitness is key. Hit the gym, get in shape. When she sees the new, improved version of you, she'll take notice. But don't stop there. Work on your mental health too. Cultivate hobbies, interests, and passions that have nothing to do with her. Start focusing on your career or your personal goals. When you pursue your purpose, you show her that you don't need her to be complete. Women are drawn to men who are driven and focused on their own journey. The key is to become so busy living an amazing life that she begins to question her decision to walk away. She'll wonder if she's made a mistake, and that doubt, it's powerful. When she sees this new, confident version of you, someone who is better than before, she won't just be impressed, she'll regret ever letting you go in the first place. Number 5. What to do if she reaches out? So let's say you did everything right. You pulled back, you focused on your goals, leveled up, and took care of yourself. And suddenly, she reaches out. Maybe it's a text, or maybe she calls you. "Hey, how have you been?" she says. Now, what do you do? This is the moment where many guys falter and fall back into old habits. You've got to resist the urge to jump into a deep emotional conversation or act like you've been waiting for her to come back. The best approach here is to stay calm and collected. Don't rush to reply immediately. Let a bit of time pass before responding, just enough to show that you're living your life, and her reaching out isn't the highlight of your day. When you do reply, keep it casual and light. No heavy discussions about what went wrong in the past. Don't make it feel like you're just waiting for her to come back. Instead, stay focused on keeping the conversation fun and upbeat. Keep it positive. Talk about things you've been doing, goals you've been crushing, and how life has been treating you. If she's engaging and seems interested, don't drag out the texting. Make real plans. Don't keep the conversation going endlessly through messages. Set a date to meet in person. And when you meet, treat it like a first date. Don't bring up the past. Keep it light, confident, and fun. Act like you're just enjoying the moment, not like you're trying to win her back. The key is to show her that you're no longer the guy who is desperately chasing her. Instead, you're the man who has options and is in control of his life. Number 6. If she doesn't reach out, move on. Now, here's the hard truth. Sometimes, no matter what you do, she won't reach out. And if that's the case, you need to accept it. It can be tough, especially when you're still emotionally invested, but the reality is, sometimes people move on, and so must you. If she's gone cold, stopped replying, or just isn't reaching out after you've backed off, you can't chase her. Don't send follow-up messages, don't show up unannounced, and don't keep waiting for her to change her mind. Instead, use this as an opportunity to focus entirely on yourself. Move forward. Don't let her absence define your worth or happiness. It's time to stop seeking validation from someone who isn't making an effort to be part of your life. And remember, life goes on. There are always new opportunities and new people to meet. The truth is, if she's not coming back, there's probably a good reason. Maybe her feelings have faded, or she's simply not the right person for you. So don't waste time wondering why she hasn't reached out. Instead, focus on becoming the best version of yourself and keep living your life. And when the right person comes along, you'll be ready. You'll be stronger, more confident, and much better equipped for a real, meaningful relationship. Because when you stop chasing someone who isn't interested, you'll create space for someone who values you for the person you've become. You've learned how to stop chasing. Now it's time to put it into action. Take that first step today by focusing on your own growth. Become the person she wants to chase. If you're ready to stop running after her and start living your best life, hit subscribe for more straight to the point advice and drop a comment below with your thoughts or struggles. And remember, don't wait for her to make the first move. Make your own move towards self-improvement and let her come back when she's ready. Until next time, take charge of your life.